Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have completed the first part video of this previous year question paper 2022 set BB. Now we will start the second video. Okay. Question number 11. A car covered 378 kilometer distance in 5 hours 15 minutes. How much time it will take to cover 468 kilometer at the same speed? So we know that time is given here 5 hours and 15 minutes. So we will convert 15 as the hour only. So 15 fours are, so 5, 1 by 4. 5 fours are 20, so 21 by 4. Okay. So what is the speed of the car here? The speed of the car, we know that time taken 378, distance traveled upon time taken 21 by 4. So this is your 378 multiplied by 4 upon 21. Okay. So we can just see 7 threes are and 7 fives are. Then actually it is 7, 8, 28. I have written wrong. It is your 378. Okay. So 5s are and 7 4s are. Now 3 1s are and 3 8s are. 18 4s are 72. The speed is 72 kilometer per hour. Now we need to find the time taken to cover the distance 468 kilometer. So time will be equal to your distance traveled 468 upon the speed 72. When you just simplify it, so you will get it as 6 2 by 4. So 1 1s 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So we can say 6.5 hour. It means 6 hour 30 minute. It is in the option number C. So 11th answer will be option C. Question number 12. Perimeter of a rectangle and square are equal. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 72, then find the area of the square. The perimeter of the rectangle is 72. It means perimeter of the square is also 72. And we know that 4 multiplied by side equal to the perimeter of the square. So that's why A should be your 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 18 centimeter. So what will be the area of the square? Side multiply by side. That is your 18 multiply by 18. It is your 324 centimeter square. Available in the option number A. So 12 answer is option A. Question number 13. In the given figure, if ABCD is a square whose one side is 7 meter long, then find the area of the unshaded portion. So we know that what will be the area of the complete ABCD. If we just find out the area of the complete square ABCD, and if we remove these area, so we will get the area of the unshaded part. The area of the square will be, I am just writing it as AS equal to 7 multiplied by 7, that is your 49 meter square. Now area of these shaded part, area of shaded part, it will be your, you can see it is as the rectangle. ये आपके क्या है, दो rectangles बने हुए हैं, in this way and in this way, whose length and breadth are given. So length is 7 multiplied by 2 plus 7 multiplied by 2. But when we are calculating the area, you can notice this area has come 2 times. It means we have to just subtract this area. So minus 2 multiply by 2. So it will be your 24. So area of the unshaded part, area unshaded, will be equal to 49 minus 24. This is equal to 25 meter square. It is in the option number A. So 13th answer is option A. Question number 14. Which of the following angle is greater than 90 degree? Greater than 90 degree means we know that angle 90 is looking like this. So more than 90 should be in this way, means this arm of the angle should lying away from the second arm. So it is looking like option C. So 14th answer is option C. Question number 15. How many chords and radii are there in the circle given below? So chords are, this is 1 chord, 2 chord, 3 chord and 4 chord. Why? Because chords are the line which is touching the point on the two different point on the circle. Chord equal to 4 and how many radii? So 1 radii, let me change the color of the pencil. 1 radii, 2 radii, 3 radii, and is there any more? No. So R equal to 3. So answer will be option B. 15th answer is option B. Question number 16. In the figure shown below, if POB, angle POB, this angle, and angle COA, this angle is equal, okay, are equal, then what is the value of x? Okay. So what is the angle of POB? So we can see this is the straight line. POQ is the straight line. So angle POB will be equal to 180 degree minus 104 degree plus 17 degree, considering it as the linear pair. Okay. So 104 plus 117, 121. So angle POB will be your 59 degree. And it is said that angle POB equal to angle COA. It is given here. Okay. So 59 degree equal to x plus 17 degree. Here we can just see this angle. So x will be equal to 42 degree. Option D. So 16th answer is option D. Question number 17. Identify the correct statement. The longest chord of a circle is greater than the diameter of the circle. It can't be possible. You can see this is a circle and the chord is the line joining the two distinct points on the circle. So here this is the diameter AB and it is the longest chord. So it cannot be greater than the diameter. Rejected or wrong. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than the radius of the circle. It means here greater than the radius of the circle is inside the circle. No, it can't be possible because radius will end till here only. And after the radius, it is coming in the outside of the circle. So option, this is also wrong. A and B both are true. Wrong is not true. Correct. The 17th answer will be option D. Question number 18. Direction for question number 18 and 19. The following bar graph represents the total marks obtained by 5 different students of a class. If the maximum possible mark for each student is 600, then answer the questions accordingly. Okay. So here we can see 0 to 5, 0 to 50. There are 5 small lines. It means one small line is there, stands for 10. One small line stands for 10. Okay? So by zooming the picture, you can see Shivam has got 430 marks. Okay? Amit has got 480 marks. Vinay has got 540 marks. And Dhruv has gotten 570 marks. ठीक है, and Radhika has gotten 520 marks. Note this data in your notebook for the next question also. Who exactly get 90% of the marks? So option A we can just find out. For the Shivam, 430 upon 600 multiply by 100, you will get 71.66%. No, it is not 90 degree. Option B, that is Amit, 480 upon 600 multiply by 100, simplify it, you will get 80%. How can you simplify? Just remove this 20, remove this 20 and divide 430 with 6. Here 480 with 6. Option C, 540, that is Vinay, upon 600 multiply by 100. 20 cancel out, 6 nines are 90, so it is 90%. It means we can say Vinay has got the 90% marks. So 18th answer will be option C. Okay? Question number 19. The same data will be used here also. How many students get more than 80% marks but less than 95%? So we know that Shivam's marks is 71.66%. We have calculated in the earlier question, and this is 80%, this is 90%. We will do for the Dhruv and Radhika. So Dhruv's marks will be, Dhruv has gotten 570 marks upon 600 multiply by 100. After cancelling the zeros, we will get 95%. And for Radhika, Radhika has gotten 520 marks upon 600 multiply by 100. 0 cancel out. So she has gotten 86.6%. So we can say who got more than 80%. So 90% is more than this, and Radhika's marks is more than 80% and less than 90%. So that's why two students are there who is lying between these two marks range. So 19th answer will be option B. Question number 20. Which one of the following is the correct equation for the statement given below? 10 is subtracted from half of the number gives 15. So half of the number, it means x by 2, and through it this 10 is subtracted to minus 10, it is giving 15. So where is this? It is in the option number D. The 20 answer will be option D. Okay. Okay, all the 20 question we have done. Now the next 10 question, stay tuned for the third video. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.